Welcome to Canva.com. So just to give everyone, kind of as we're getting started, we got everyone on the social media post. Um, if you want to make an Instagram post, Canva.com is free. You can create a free account. And so if you go under social media, there's actually an Instagram post size already set up for you. So when you click on that, it's going to give you a box that looks like Instagram. And you can add text to it, you can add elements, you can add photos, you can change the background. Some of the stuff may or may not be available on the free account, so just be aware of that. But for the most part, you can add all the text, so you guys can. Um, there's some that are already made for you, but if you wanted to promote your Instagram or promote selling the yearbook, this would be a good place to do so. I will post this video to Google Classroom so you guys can take a look and enjoy.